Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to change your WhatsApp chat wallpaper for all contacts so you can customize your chats easily. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, go to Chats, then tap Wallpaper. You'll see options to choose from WhatsApp's default wallpapers, solid colors, or your own photos from the gallery. Select the wallpaper you want to use and tap Set Wallpaper. Make sure to choose the option for all chats so it applies to every conversation, not just a single chat. If you want a seasonal or themed look, you can update the wallpaper anytime by repeating these steps and selecting a new image. For added customization, WhatsApp allows you to adjust the wallpaper brightness or apply it in dark mode separately if your phone uses dark theme. By following these steps, you can easily change your WhatsApp chat wallpaper for all contacts and give your chats a fresh, personalized look. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.